here in my prompt, I said the static camera presents a bird eyes view of a modern living space with a minimalist aesthetic, featuring a kitchen, dining area, and living room with light wood floors and soft gray walls. A small potted plant and framed pictures adorn the room. Soft, even lighting highlights the clean lines and sparse decor. I put this image into ChatGPT and told ChatGPT to create me a prompt. I did something very similar before in one of my renderings. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button for me and hit the notification bell. All right, I used that prompt that I used out of ChatGPT and I imported that prompt. And I didn't use a prompt helper, but you have different settings where if you go to AI service, you can choose polls or you can do open AI, which it says recommended. I used ChatGPT prompt and I copied and paste that here. You will import your image here as well. So you can drag and drop your image wherever you saved your image, whether it's on your desktop or on your hard drive. You can drag that image here and you can see how many credits you have available to you. We only have 160. And usually when you get done with your prompt, you can press in or push dream, and based off your prompt, it gives you those results that you put in. So we're going to click on this and it just kind of shows you how simple this is, but at the same time, very powerful. I really like how the sun has come into the scene and really brought this animation to another level. So I really like how Project Dream has simplified this for you and really turn my static rendering into a real live animation. I think that that's pretty cool and it saves you a lot of time as well. So we're not going to do that. I didn't do that for this animation, but I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I created this video and the actual software that I use as well. So here, there's also another cool thing that we can view job details. So we can view the job details and we can also say something's off and actually click the thumbs up to say, okay, this is all right. Or we can say it's awesome. We can do that and you can download your actual animation here. All right, so I want to show you some test animations that I did and let's see if I can pull them up. So here I actually created a test image and this one I believe is going to be a woman that's going to pop up and you have the TV on now. So that's a quick animation